We will be making an ostrich egg-shaped dessert today. The ingredients for the orange pudding are 400 ml of orange juice, 50 ml of granulated sugar, 50 ml of cornstarch. For the white pudding, 400 ml of milk, 50 ml of granulated sugar, 50 ml of cornstarch. Firstly, let's prepare the white pudding. After pouring the milk into a pot, let's add the sugar and cornstarch to it. Now let's mix everything. Let's now leave this one aside, and in another small pot, let's pour the orange juice. Let's also add the cornstarch and the granulated sugar to it and mix everything. We have a curved bowl like this one, so we will use it for this recipe. I sprinkled some water in it, which will help remove the dessert from it. I am cooking both of the puddings at the same time with the same amount of heat, and I keep stirring them until they thicken. After I take them off the flame, I keep stirring them so that they cool down a little. Firstly, let's pour in the white pudding in the bowl. Then, slowly, let's pour in the orange pudding. After I pour all of it, I am leaving it to cool down. When it does, I am moving it to the refrigerator. It will need to stay there for 2 to 3 hours. After that, I am turning the bowl upside down. I am cutting a slice so that you can see how it looks on the inside. It's a delicious recipe, so I highly recommend that you try it. Please do not forget to like and share our videos. Enjoy!